everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you guys for joining me today. So today I am doing the 50 facts about me video, and it is a bit different compared to every other video that I have on my channel, but if you guys want to learn a little bit about me, then please keep on watching. Okay, for those of you who know, I am sold out for Jesus Christ, and that is my ultimate and my main goal in life, just to be a vessel of honor. I have a phobia for lizards. Like seriously, like it's very bad. My favorite chocolate changes every few months. So at the moment, Kit Kat is my favorite chocolate, but in about 3 to 4 months, it's gonna change. That's how it's always been. Like I get tired of the craving of having that one particular chocolate, so it changes again. So I don't know, I'm just that way. When I am hungry, I am super moody and cranky. So when I was younger, I knew I was going to get into a career that was art related, because I've always loved art. I was a huge Disney Channel fan throughout my high school career, and every time my dad would walk in the lounge, he'd be like, seriously, Disney Channel again? I've never gotten into a physical fight with anyone. I am super emo. Like, I would cry for like a sad movie, and honestly I can cry for anything. Sometimes I can overthink things. My current favorite color is pink, so it's almost like the chocolate situation. So if you guys didn't know, I am an artist, and to be more precise, I am a fine artist, which means paintings, drawings, sketchings, all of that sort. I'm also a graphic designer, and I did animation for a while, but I'm not a fan of animation, but I can also animate things, so yeah. I love reading novels and watching movies and series, everything around like having a good storyline. I'm so down for it. Justin Bieber is legit my favorite singer, not because like he's Justin Bieber and girls go crazy for him. No, that's not the reason. The reason is because he honestly makes the best music. Like, it sounds so nice, and beyond that, his music does not have swearing, and it's super cool to listen to. So I have a problem with being forgetful. I'm a huge chocolate lover. I don't like veggies, but I will occasionally eat, like, I don't know, what do I eat occasionally? Oh, I would have butternut, or I would eat gym squash, and that's for the roast. So technically I just have veggies as sides for my actual main meal. Like, my main meal is never a veggie plate or anything like that. It's always meat and sprinkles of vegetable here and there, but that's like hardly ever the situation, because it's always meat or chicken. My opinion is that food is bland if it does not have enough spice or not enough spiciness to it, if you know what I mean, like being pungent enough. I mean, I'm a true Indian girl, so I need to have the flavor. I don't mind being my own company for the day, so like if it's a day just by myself, I can get so much of things done. Oh, I tumbled down a staircase when I was younger, and I've gotten stitches right here. There's a small teeny tiny bump there. I have a Code 10 license, which means I can drive a truck. And honestly, I feel like it's so much more easier to drive a truck than a car, because you're so much higher than the ground and you can see everything from the front to the back of the truck. So I think it's so much easier than a car. So you guys, I am an adrenaline junkie, like crazy. Like, I have no fear of heights. I have no fear of like anything crazy. Like, you know those crazy rides that you see people tagging you on Facebook and asking you, would you ever try this ride? I'm the one that would be like, oh yes, of course yes. And my partners would definitely be both of my sisters, because they are also as adventurous as myself. Wesley, on the other hand, I can't even deal. Like, he's not an adventurous type. Oh, he's not one for doing the crazy stuff. He will do it because I'm doing it and he just wants to make me happy. But for himself, he's not like, he won't really enjoy it. It will just be something that he would have done for me. I don't usually get scared for horror movies. I'm the youngest sibling. I am currently a self-taught makeup artist. I'm a night owl, so it means that I do not sleep any time before 12, and I honestly cannot fall asleep anytime before 12. The only time I would sleep like very early, like 9, 10, 11, is if I woke up really early. Also adding to that, I wake up very late. Everyone that knows me knows this, and some of you are actually jealous because I have enough sleep and you don't. So hashtag daddy, hashtag Wesley, whatever. I can legit live in pajamas every day, all day, and I'll be perfect, comfortable, and it's just the best way to live. When I was young, I was obsessed with Nicole Scherzinger and the Pussycat Dolls because at one point in my life I honestly thought that I was Nicole Scherzinger and that is what I am. That's what I'm gonna be when I grow up. I'm gonna be exactly like her, and oh my gosh, seriously. I prefer dogs over cats. I just hate anything with coffee in it or that caffeine taste, like any sweets with coffee added things in it. It's just the worst thing ever. Saying that, I love tea. Milk tea is my favorite. I have to have a few cups in a day. Family is a huge deal for me. Like, family is everything. My family especially. I honestly never thought I would be a makeup artist. I get hungry so often. Like, it's so bad. My mom literally has to force me to work out. Anybody else's mom does that? I hate clowns. I think it's the worst ever. I cannot sleep with a thick pillow. My pillow is literally like this thin. I love making my own clothes. Okay, as I said before, I love spicy food, but to be more clear, I love Indian food, like chicken tikka and, you know, butter chicken and all, like every type of Indian food except for like vegetable and stuff. I think I eat too much of chicken and that's a problem. I love nature, the ocean, mountains, the sky. It brings me so much of like peace and happiness just to like sit back and look at God's creation and his perfect artwork. Like that, for me, being an artist, I feel like nature is where I draw my inspiration from. The sky is always mesmerizing to me. I can literally not deal with anybody chewing loudly. I love reality TV. It's so fun to watch. I'm a huge beach baby because I love water and swimming is so fun. Like, I love it so much. I was told I was annoying to my sisters when I was younger. I love laughing and comedians are my favorite. I also enjoy singing, guys. I was always afraid to talk to anyone, especially like filming and having me talk to a camera and then having that going public. That was always a huge fear until the year 2013. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys learned a little bit about me, and till next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!